William and Zachary were arrested in 2022. Gay couple in US get 100 years in prison for raping their adopted sons. William and Zachary Zullock have each been sentenced to 100 years in prison without parole. A gay couple from Georgia will spend the rest of their lives in jail after they were convicted of sexually abusing their two adopted sons. The two accused, William and Zachary Zullock, have been sentenced to 100 years in prison each without the chance of parole. A gay couple from Georgia will spend the rest of their lives in jail after they were convicted of sexually abusing their two adopted sons. The two accused, William and Zachary Zullock, have been sentenced to 100 years in prison each without the chance of parole, the New York Post reported, quoting the Walton County District Attorney's Office. William is 34 years old, while Zachary is 36. They earlier adopted the two brothers, who have now turned 12 and 10, from a Christian special needs agency. The children were raised by the gay couple under the guise of a happy family in the affluent Atlanta suburb. District Attorney Randy McGinley noted that William and Zachary truly created a house of horrors and put their extremely dark desires above everything and everyone else. McGinley added, however, the depth of the defendant's depravity, which is as deep as it gets, is not greater than the resolve of those that fought for justice and the strength of the victims in this case. The district attorney noted the resolve he has seen from the two young boys during the last 2 years is truly inspiring. While Zachary works in the banking sector, William is serving as a government employee. Despite being well settled in their lives, the two would force the young brothers to have sex with them on a regular basis, besides filming the abuse for making pedophilic pornography. Not just that, they even used to brag about the alleged abuse to some of their friends in the community. Evidence found by police has confirmed this claim. William and Zachary were arrested in 2022. One of the couple's friends told police that Zachary once shared images of one of the boys being abused on Snapchat and wrote, "I'm going to F*** my son tonight. Stand by." The two accused even used social media platforms to pimp the two brothers to at least 2 men in the local pedophile sex ring, the New York Post report said. They were arrested after police caught an alleged member of the ring downloading child porn. The person later informed the investigators how William and Zachary used to make porn videos with their two young adopted sons living in their house. In the court, the two accused pleaded guilty to charges of aggravated child molestation as well as sexual exploitation of children.